So this question is from geometry. Let's see what is given to us and what we need to find out. Here we are given a right triangle ACB and the length of BD is 3. The length of CD is 1 and we need to find the length of AD question mark. Apart from this, we are also given that angle ABC is double of angle DBC, double of this angle, correct? Now let's see how we can find the value of AD. How can we find the length of AD? First of all, let's start with right triangle DCB and apply Pythagoras theorem here. Pythagoras theorem in this right triangle. Okay. If we apply Pythagoras theorem, what we will get? We will get DC square plus BC square is equals to BD square. DC is 1 square, BC is nothing we need to find out, BD is 3 square. If we solve this, we will get BC as 2 root 2. Okay, the length of BC will be 2 root 2. Let's mark this in the figure. BC is 2 root 2. Okay. Now we are also given that angle ABC is double of angle DBC. What does that mean? That means this angle ABD will be equal to angle DBC, correct? These two angles will be equal to each other. So let's assume them to be x degree each. Okay. Let's assume the length of AD as y that we need to find out. Let's see what we can do ahead. Now I'll be taking right triangle DCB again, but this time I'll be applying trigonometry here. I'll be applying trigonometry formula here. Okay. So what is that trigonometry formula that I'll be using? I'll be using tan x degree is equals to DC upon BC. Okay, that means tan x is 1 upon 2 root 2. Please keep this in mind. We will be using this ahead in the solution. Now I will be taking right triangle ACB. Again, I'll be using trigonometry over here. Okay. But this time, the formula that I'll be using will be little different. Let's see. So first of all, I'll be applying the formula of tan again, but this time I'll be applying tan 2x. Why? I'll be applying tan of angle ABC. What is tan of angle ABC? It is AC upon BC, correct? Now what is tan ABC? Tan ABC. ABC is double of x, that is 2x. This angle that I'm shading in the figure right now. This is ABC, 2x, correct? So let's write it down. Tan 2x is AC upon BC. What is AC? That is y plus 1 upon BC. BC is 2 root 2. Now we will be using one formula of tan 2x. Let's see what is that formula. So this is the formula of tan 2x that we will be using after this step. Tan 2x is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x is equals to y plus 1 upon 2 root 2. After this step, what we will be doing? We will be using tan x from this equation. We will be using the value of tan x using this equation. Let's see how. Tan x is 1 upon 2 root 2. So this is 1 upon 2 root 2 upon 1 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 whole square. This will give us y plus 1 upon 2 root 2. After this step, if we simplify, we will be getting 8 upon 7 root 2 is equals to y plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Root 2 and root 2 can be cancelled and we will be getting y as 16 upon 7 minus 1. This will give us 9 upon 7. Correct? Now what is y? Y is nothing but AD. Correct? So the value, the length of AD will be 9 upon 7. This will be our final answer. The length of AD is 9 by 7.